Learn English to Gujarati time words, promptly too.
Agami.
Welcome, time traveler. Hey, you're about to learn 8 smart Gujarati time words without falling asleep on your dictionary. Let's make your brain laugh a little and remember a lot. Today you will learn how to say promptly and immediately with.
તાત્કાલિક.
Medium term with.
મધ્યમ ગાળાનું.
Long term with.
લાંબા ગાળાનું.
Retroactively with.
પશ્ચાદલક્ષી રીતે.
In retrospect with.
રેટ્રોસ્પેક્ટમાં.
Forward looking with.
દૂરદર્શી.
And perspective with.
આગામી.
Yes, that is a lot of time. Ironically, we will learn it quickly. The office of panic and planning. Imagine you work in a very dramatic office where every email feels like a movie trailer. Listen for the key words as the chaos unfolds. On Monday morning, the boss ran in holding coffee like it was a legal document. He shouted, "Reply."
તાત્કાલિક.
In this office.
તાત્કાલિક.
Means promptly or immediately. The intern nodded, then asked, "Do you mean now or polite business now?" The boss said, "Both. Extra now." Then the planning team arrived. One person wanted a
મધ્યમ ગાળાનું.
plan for the next year or two. Another wanted a
લાંબા ગાળાનું.
vision for the next decade. They argued for 10 minutes, which was not very.
તાત્કાલિક.
Meanwhile, the accounting department discovered a rule had been changed.
પશ્ચાદલક્ષી રીતે.
That means retroactively, affecting the past. Everyone looked at old papers as if the papers had personally betrayed them. Later,
રેટ્રોસ્પેક્ટમાં.
they admitted the filing system had always been a disaster. Finally, the smartest manager proposed a
દૂરદર્શી.
idea for
આગામી.
projects. In other words, a forward-looking plan for prospective work. Everybody clapped, mostly because the meeting was ending. Word spotlight. Now let's slow down and make each word memorable. You do not need a perfect accent right away, just a brave mouth. Promptly or immediately equals.
તાત્કાલિક.
Think of a phone vibrating and demanding action. Right now. Medium term equals.
મધ્યમ ગાળાનું.
Not tomorrow, not retirement, just the useful middle. Long term equals.
લાંબા ગાળાનું.
This is the patient word, the word that plants a tree and waits. Retroactively equals.
પશ્ચાદલક્ષી રીતે.
A rule made today reaches backward and changes earlier dates. In retrospect equals.
રેટ્રોસ્પેક્ટમાં.
You look back and say, "Ah, that was smart," or very not smart. Forward looking equals.
દૂરદર્શી.
Someone who sees far ahead, like a leader, inventor, or unusually organized squirrel. Perspective equals.
આગામી.
Something upcoming, expected, or connected to what comes next. Mini dialogues. Repeat these short dialogues after me if you want. If a neighbor hears you, congratulations, they are learning too. A. Is this urgent? B. Yes, do it.
તાત્કાલિક.
A. Do we need a plan for next year or two? B. Yes, A.
મધ્યમ ગાળાનું.
Plan. A. What about the next 10 years? B. That needs a
લાંબા ગાળાનું.
strategy. A. Did the new rule start only today? B. No, it was applied.
પશ્ચાદલક્ષી રીતે.
A. Was quitting that job a mistake? B.
રેટ્રોસ્પેક્ટમાં.
Maybe it was a useful lesson. A. What kind of leader do we need? B. A.
દૂરદર્શી.
Leader. A. Are these current students? B. No, they are.
આગામી.
Students. Funny memory hooks. Let's glue the words into your memory with images your brain will never politely forget. 4.
તાત્કાલિક.
Imagine a snail wearing rocket shoes. Somehow, the snail is now prompt. 4.
મધ્યમ ગાળાનું.
Picture 3 sandwiches labeled short, medium, and long term. You eat the middle one because you are balanced and wise. 4.
લાંબા ગાળાનું.
Imagine a turtle opening a 10-year gym membership. 4.
પશ્ચાદલક્ષી રીતે.
See a judge stamping last year's calendar with today's stamp. 4.
રેટ્રોસ્પેક્ટમાં.
Imagine yourself wearing detective glasses while reviewing your own bad haircut choices. 4.
दूरदर्शी.
Picture a squirrel with binoculars, spreadsheets, and retirement savings. 4.
आगामी.
Picture a glowing door marked tomorrow. Quick practice drill. I will give the English idea, and you think of the Gujarati. No stress. If you forget, your brain is just warming up. Promptly.
तात्कालिक.
Immediately.
तात्कालिक.
Medium term.
मध्यम गाळाનું.
Long term.
લાંબા ગાળાનું.
Retroactively.
પશ્ચાદલક્ષી રીતે.
In retrospect.
રેટ્રોસ્પેક્ટમાં.
Forward looking.
दूरदर्शी.
Perspective.
आगामी.
Choose the right time word. Now you get a tiny quiz. You versus time vocabulary. Honestly, time usually wins, but today you have a chance. If your boss wants an answer right away, use
તાત્કાલિક.
If your company is planning for the next 1 to 2 years, use
મધ્યમ ગાળાનું.
If you are thinking about success over many years, use
લાંબા ગાળાનું.
If a new law affects old situations, use
પશ્ચાદલક્ષી રીતે.
If you look back and judge a past choice, use
રેટ્રોસ્પેક્ટમાં.
If a leader sees far into the future, use
दूरदर्शी.
If a student or buyer is expected in the future but not current yet, use
आगामी.
your challenge. Here is your tiny mission. Yes, a mission. That sounds cooler than homework. Make your own short sentences with all 8 Gujarati expressions. Say one sentence with
તાત્કાલિક.
one with,
મધ્યમ ગાળાનું.
one with,
લાંબા ગાળાનું.
one with,
પશ્ચાદલક્ષી રીતે.
one with,
રેટ્રોસ્પેક્ટમાં.
one with,
दूरदर्शी.
and one with.
આગામી.
If you can say them aloud without panicking, that is already a win. Thanks and keep going. Nice work. You just learned some very grown-up vocabulary with a slightly ridiculous guide voice. That is efficient learning. Thank you for listening and practicing with me. Keep repeating these words out loud.
તાત્કાલિક. મધ્યમ ગાળાનું. લાંબા ગાળાનું. પશ્ચાદલક્ષી રીતે. રેટ્રોસ્પેક્ટમાં. दूरदर्शी.
And
આગામી.
practice a little every day, use them in your own sentences, and your Gujarati will grow steadily. See you in the next chapter, and until then, learn bravely and practice often.